So you have built a great website and it's active. Google Analytics is telling you have many visitors every day. But what's going on is that you're not receiving a single email from the contact form on that website. And you think, oh, is my website not converting, or are people not filling in my contact form? You don't know, because that email that comes out of your website doesn't reach you. Some of these emails are completely lost, others end up in your spam folder, and you probably won't see them until it's too late to respond. Have you ever been there? Because I have, and let me tell you, it is not pretty. What makes it more complicated is that if you're a web designer or developer, it's not just a one website, it's every single site you build for a client. Imagine the headache, and imagine all of them reaching out to you by email or by phone to tell you, hey, we're not receiving anything, and the website you've built me is not working. I know it takes a lot of time to figure it out, and it's frustrating when you're under that type of pressure, but I'm here to help you. My name is Amr, and I've been building websites for the past 20 years. I've also managed web servers and email servers. I'm here today because I want to help you solve that email problem once and for all. So if you've always wanted to master email and DNS, you're in luck, because that's exactly what we're going to do in this course. This is definitely going to make your life way easier. By the end of this course, you'll be able to improve your email deliverability, making sure your emails are more reliable, arriving at their intended destination. You'll also get a greater understanding of the different DNS records, how to create them, how to manage them, especially those records that affect email. You'll also understand the spam filters, how they work, and more importantly, how you can avoid them. You'll know the difference as well as the pros and cons for every email protocol, such as SMTP, POP, and IMAP. These words will no longer be foreign to you. You'll be confident in using them. You'll be confident in helping your customers. Email as well as website migrations will be so much easier for you. You'll also gain a greater understanding of the different email systems that exist, as well as email clients and the tools that you can use on any website, such as SendGrid and the likes of it. At the end of this course, you will also be able to master Cloudflare, use it to manage your DNS, use it to speed things up, as well as add a layer of security and speed to any website that you own or that you're working on. So don't delay, sign up now and let's meet inside.